Hello, are you aiming to boost security, optimize user management, and effortlessly integrate third-party services like Microsoft, Salesforce in your Umbraco application? Your search ends here. The Mini Orange Umbraco suite has everything you need. We're excited to introduce you to our cutting-edge solutions tailored specifically for Umbraco. We understand the importance of a seamless user experience without compromising security. With our single sign-on SSO solution, your users can access Umbraco applications with just one set of credentials. Also, our MFA solution ensures that only authorized users can access your Umbraco environment by adding an extra layer of verification. Whether it's using authenticator apps, OTP, or push notifications, your data stays protected. Our User Sync feature enables hassle-free management of user accounts across multiple systems, ensuring consistency and accuracy in real time. And integration of Umbraco with Microsoft services empowers your business to work smarter and more efficiently, all while maintaining the highest standards of security. Whether you're a business owner, an IT administrator, or a developer, the Mini Orange Umbraco solutions are designed to simplify your workflow, enhance security, and improve overall efficiency. Join the ranks of satisfied clients who have unlocked the true potential of their Umbraco experience with Mini Orange. Get started today and elevate your Umbraco journey with the Mini Orange Umbraco suite.